Hey there! It's nice to meet you in this video because I'm going to do a showcase and tutorial of a great image generator AI that can compete Midjourney and DALL-E 3 level. The bot's name is Octopus. The bot is a versatile Discord bot that brings the power of AI to your fingertips with a wide range of commands and features. And in this video, I'll show you how to add the bot in your server and try the image generator AI. So before we start, just make sure that Octopus AI Discord Bot Invite link and its support server are in the description. So let's create a Discord server. Then go to App Directory and write Octopus. Then add the bot to your server. Once you add the bot in your server, the bot will automatically introduce himself and his features and commands. Now let's reach our goal, which is trying the image generator AI feature. Before you try the feature, you have to vote on the bot on chatgpt website. After voting on Octopus on top.gg, let's get back to the server and run the command again. I'll use these examples of prompt to generate the images.